Hello, my name is Lichtenegger. I am the CEO and founder of Pro-Ject Audio Systems, one of the world's leading companies for hi-fi stereo, especially for analog turntables. We are now 30 years old and we want to celebrate this event with a new product called the Debut Pro. The Debut Pro is like our Pro-Ject One, a very simple but extremely quality sounding turntable. We try to make products which have very little cosmetic features or anything what is also about cosmetic. It's about getting a better sound quality, a good look and a good sound for many generations. And we know that many customers still have their Pro-Ject One from 1991 at home. And so it's a big challenge to make now, 30 years later, something similar, high quality as we did at that time for a reasonable price. Because as you know, today everything is getting way more expensive, and to making a product in Europe, handmade, not so easy. But with our philosophy, keeping the design simple, concentrating of the real essential things, I think we have done here a very nice product. The base of the product is our Debut EVO, which we introduced last year. It was a quite difficult job to make the Debut EVO even better. But there have been still some points where you can improve. For sure, because otherwise a 10,000, 20,000 euro turntable would make absolutely no sense. Yeah? There are differences. Yeah? But we wanted to make out of our most selling product just a close to be perfect product. Yeah? And here are some of the differentiations or the ideas. Yeah? Main idea for us is that we make products which are upgradable. So the first thing, when you have a turntable in better design, then you need to have a flexibility for the future. So we built in this turntable the flexibility. The first feature, what I want to mention, is the platter. So the platter is first time in this price range an aluminum die-cast platter which is anti-magnetic and very heavy. Why? Because anti-magnetic platters you need when you want to go for the next level of cartridges, which are MC cartridges. For sure, also because it's very heavy, you have also a very positive influence in the woe and flutter and the stability of the movement. And that's essential for the perfect music reproduction, especially for the timing. The second feature is we gave this turntable a feature which we called VTA adjustment, vertical tracking angle adjustment. This allows you to change the height of the tone arm. Why this is necessary? Because when you want to change the cartridge in future, and this turntable will make you happy for many decades, and we probably have to change the cartridge because it wears out, then cartridges can be having a different height. So to have the perfect tracking angle, you need this flexibility to be future-proofed. Additionally, by the VTA, by the adjustment of the height, we had to give this turntable a metal flange. Most of the turntables in the low price range have plastic flanges, and with a plastic flange mounting, you cannot fix the tone arm perfectly on the chassis, which is very important. Every component must be stiff, fixed together, that the micro informations are not lost somewhere. So I think we are the first one in this price range who offer VTA adjustment. The new sandwich aluminum carbon tone arm. This tone arm gives you less resonances and again is perfect in combination with upgraded MC cartridge if you go for this in the future. We developed together with Ortofon, with Leif Johansen, a very special cartridge which is perfectly tuned with this turntable, because any turntable, what you design, you have also a sound idea in mind. There is no neutral, 100% neutral hi-fi component in the world existing. There's always some coloration, even in a $10,000 product. What we wanted to do with the Debut Pro is that we still think this turntable will be purchased by hi-fi beginners, which maybe have also a little bit an idea getting an audiophile in future. But these people don't have a big system. So we have to respect that we have to give the turntable a substantial body, that the system is not sounding too tiny. So the turntable idea from the sound is a very substantial, very full-bodied sound, and that's especially also reached by the correct choice of the cartridge, which has a little bit less tracking compliance to fit perfectly to the tone arm, and that gives a more substantial sound. Also in addition to the very heavy platter, which goes in the same direction. Then, very obvious on this turntable, we have here some nickel-coated parts. Yeah? Why we do this? Yeah? So we realized by coating the metal with a harder material, we're getting even less resonances and an improvement in the whole ability of eating up the resonances. I want to give you also some insight how we're doing the bearing block. The bearing block is very, very heavy and massive, which is very important to keep the tone arm resonance free, and we do this out of full blocks of aluminum, which are cutted by CNC machines with diamond heads, and out of these materials you get then this bearing block. Yeah. The turntable has also speed control and also height adjustable feet with the same nickel coating like the tone arm. As an additional accessoire, we thought about the fitting Record Book Pro, which has the same nickel finishing, which makes it even a more complete set. So I think it's a 30 years anniversary product which fits exactly in the mindset of Pro-Ject, and we believe that we can make even more customer happy with our products. Thank you very much for the attention. Enjoy music.